you mentioned in your like workshops, you sold was that real estate memorial lots?
Yeah. So I like the idea of investing in real estate memorial lots in real estate because it's an easy purchase. It's very cheap, no? It's like 40,000, 50,000 pesos, and it's a fast turnover because a family of 4 or 5 or 8 will buy one house. But when they die, and people die, we die, eventually we will die.
Everybody
But
dies.
if there's 8 people in that house, there's 8 people who will die, and they will all buy memorial lots. Meaning, if you sell houses, in a family of 8, you can only sell one house, but you can sell 8 memorial lots, diba? So that's how I thought about investing in memorial lots. And as I've shared with you, if someone lost a loved one and they have to bury their loved one right away, they have to pay twice the price of what you paid for pre-need because theirs is at need, right? At need
It's
means
urgent.
it's urgent. You have to bury. You can't let your you can't let the dead wait, diba? You just go to the freezer and we will defrost you, diba? So and if you can see, that's a 200% profit. So if you bought the memorial lot, which is what I usually do, I buy the memorial lot at like 40 to 50,000, and then the at need price is 85,000 or 90,000. So I sell it to someone who needs it right away, and there will always be someone who needs it, especially if you have the right agents. And then you just give the agents commission 10%. You sell it to them for 75,000. So meaning you made 35,000 pesos.
Yes.
Or maybe 30,000 minus the commission. Well, let's say you gave 5,000. And at the same time, you're helping that person who lost a loved one. Diba? So you're making money. At the same time, you're helping other people. Because the people who lost a loved one will not be in a very good place financially.
Yeah.
So it has a charity into it, no? It's easy. If you think about it, it's easy money. It makes sense, no? It's just a little bit awkward because you're dealing with death. But actually, you're helping these people. So, it's a good investment to make then.